Banking in Sage 1 is a breeze. You're able to add all your business's bank accounts, credit cards, or investment accounts with no limits on the number of bank accounts you can set up. Capturing transactions is even easier. All bank processing is handled in the banking screen under the banking menu. You have three choices to get your banking transactions into Sage 1: manual capturing, importing your statements, or automatic bank feeds. Bank feeds is definitely the recommended capturing option and will make your life so much easier and save you hours of time. What the bank feeds do is link automatically with your banking institution, and each day will pull through your latest banking transactions into Sage 1. If one of your bank accounts is not set up for bank feeds, there are other efficient ways of capturing your banking. With manual capturing, you can manually enter your transactions into Sage 1 from your bank statement. Here you can make use of quick entry rules, which will automatically populate your transaction based on the payee you enter. These can be set up under lists in the banking menu. In my example, I'll type the payee as Telkom, and this will automatically assign this transaction to the telephone expense account and assign 14% VAT to the line. You can also import your statements that you have downloaded from your banking institution in either OFX or CSV format. You will simply select the file from your computer and import all of your banking transactions straight into Sage 1. The benefit to importing your bank statements, either from your computer or via bank feeds, is the option to use bank statement mapping rules. These rules are set up by you and will search your imported statements for keywords, and based on these rules, our system will automatically assign the identified transactions to the correct accounts in the general ledger. Let us take the example of bank fees. I will set up a mapping rule to search my import for the keyword fee. When it sees this key term, it will automatically assign that transaction to the bank charges expense account in Sage 1. It will apply this rule to all transactions on the screen as well as any future transactions that contain the word fee. We are literally doing the work for you. Once all of your transactions are imported, you have many different options on the banking screen. You can attach documents to each transaction line by clicking on the paperclip icon. This could be a remittance advice or a statement and will display as green when there's an attachment linked to the line. You can split one transaction line to go to different general ledger accounts by clicking on the splits icon. This is helpful if you pay one supplier for various different services, for example your local municipality. For customer receipts and supplier payments, you are able to allocate the cash flow in your bank statement directly to the underlying invoice to which it relates. Once you've selected the customer to which the receipt relates to, simply click on the allocate icon and select the invoice to pay. This allocation can be viewed from the more detailed section as well. Here you can change the allocation, or you could even print out a receipt. Once you have finished reviewing and allocating your transactions, you will mark as reviewed those transactions that you're happy with to the Reviewed Transactions tab. This means that you have assigned these transactions to the correct account and they are considered reviewed. If you're unsure about where to allocate any transactions, you can leave them in the New Transactions tab, where they have been assigned to an unallocated income or expense account. Banking in Sage 1 is great for review purposes. You can sort on the important columns, or you can search the banking screen for specific transactions. There are even shortcut keys to speed up your processing. This makes reconciling and understanding your banking that much easier. And that is a basic overview of banking in Sage 1. This should save you countless hours and really give you the confidence to get on top of your cash flows. Thanks for watching.